Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ford Bronco in neutral using the easy method. First, make sure your Bronco is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Next, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This powers up the necessary systems without the engine running. With the ignition on, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Now, locate your gear shifter. While still holding the brake, move the shifter directly into the N for neutral position. You should feel a slight click as it engages, indicating it's ready. This action prepares the transmission for the next crucial step in the process. Now, look closely at the side of your shifter. You will find a small, recessed button, often labeled N or a similar symbol. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds. You should see a message on your dashboard display confirming that the vehicle is now in neutral mode. Release the button and the brake. To confirm, check your instrument cluster for a clear neutral indicator. Your Bronco is now safely in neutral. Remember to always engage the parking brake before exiting the vehicle, especially on any incline. For more details and other helpful tips, check the description below. You'll also find a link there for the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.